Ramogi TV, Odbromalo, Nairobi.
Jatend kweth mar Azimio Raila Odinga koro onyiero jopiny mano okwedo ng'anyo mane bago kod Azimio ewi pek mar ngima masani medo yudhe pacho ka. Raila mane loso kanie limbe mbalariany mar Technical University of Kenya oseyo moko kuom jo Kenya mane othir ni ng'anyo ne kethonegi ohala kowacho ni en otemo kar nyalo mare. Magi timore ka jopuonjre mbalariany ma obedo mbalariany no oywak ewi pek mar ngima e kindeni kendo gibuogo mar biro bago ng'anyo poni sirikal ok ochiko ite.
We are really suffering as students, and we are requesting the government, please, may you please stop all that nonsense and start a consultation so that all the students and all the stakeholders can be consulted concerning the same. Else, we're still going to suffer, and this suffering, I don't see it ending anytime sooner.
Do we have the assurance and the guarantee from the government that even when you take these loans and do study under them, will you be able to get a job that will help you clear the loan on time? Do we have that guarantee? Comrades, power. Comrades, power. This is our communication as the student leaders body nationally to the government. That the comrade of the country Kenya is tired. The comrade of the country Kenya is being oppressed. And the comrade of the country Kenya will not keep quiet. Because you cannot keep quiet when it is your time to talk.
If those who are saying that demonstrations by Azimio inaharibu biashara yetu, leo wanakuja wanasema baba yuko wapi? Na baba ako kimya. He's not talking. Because they say that demonstrations are destroying our businesses. No, their businesses are being destroyed not by demonstrations, but through taxation. Sasa mbwa anakula watoto yake. Si mbwa anakula watoto yake.